Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have a really exciting video that I'm gonna do for you. As you can tell by the title and what's behind me, it's a piece from the Spring Summer 2022 collection by Virgil. It's probably, I think, his second to last collection. Everything from this collection was amazing. As you can tell, I ordered the Keepall. I actually received this before the official launch date. I was lucky enough that one of my client advisors was able to help me source it. So this is the Keepall 50 bandoulier. This retails for $4,450, and then after tax in Massachusetts about like $47, I think a little under $4,800. But this bag is complete taurillon leather. So this is a full leather piece. Here's the side. So I believe this is called the Rosé colorway. There's also a green one which I'm actually receiving tomorrow. But I love the ombre. I really like the green one when I saw it in pictures, but once I received this one, I was shook. So the collection actually just released yesterday online, but everything was sold out, as you may know. And the pre-orders open on the 24th. But like I said, I was lucky enough to get my hands on it before the official release date. So I feel super blessed. Here's the luggage tag. So cool. I love how it's like textured or grain. It kind of gives me like exotic vibes, like a lizard piece. I don't know if that's the inspiration of it, as you can tell. Same as the handles. The handles look like they're made from lizard or snake or something like that. But it's just taurillon leather. The embossing, the stitching is super deep, which is really nice. It's heavy because it is full leather. It is heavier than canvas pieces. But honestly, with this bag, as you can tell, like depending what angle you look at it, it's like blue, purple, like a light pink. It's really cool depending what angle you look at it. But the bottom of the bag is completely blue, I believe. So this is a blue rosé colorway. But yeah, and it comes with a strap as well, which it's somewhere. Here's the strap. It's the same as, here's the strap. Close up with the strap. It is the same as the handles and the luggage tag. The interior is blue. I still have the bag that it came with inside. Keeps the Keepall in shape. So the interior is a blue. It is a standard Keepall, you know. Were you able to buy anything from this collection? Let me know in the comments if you have anything pre-ordered or which pieces you want the most from this collection. But I just wanted to do a quick review video in person before it's actually, you know, like rolling out in stores. So that way people can make a better decision. I'm getting the green one tomorrow, so once I get that, I'm going to do a video right away. Okay, well make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see you next video. Bye.